Want to make your designs look more realistic and professional in Canva? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D animation mockup in Canva. First, log in to your Canva account. On the home page, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. In the search bar, type the dimensions you need or choose a ready-made template size. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left-hand menu and click on Designs. Use the search bar to find the object you want to use for your mockup. This could be a phone, laptop, a t-shirt, or any product frame. Choose one that matches your design needs. Now upload your design by clicking on the Uploads option in the left menu. Select your file from your computer and wait for it to appear in your Uploads list. Drag your design over the mockup frame until it snaps into place. Adjust the size and position so it looks natural. To add the 3D animation effect, click on your design, then go to the top menu and choose Animate. Browse through the animation options. For a smooth 3D feel, select a movement like pan, rise, tumble, or drift. You can adjust the animation speed using the settings. Test different options to see which one looks the most realistic for your project. If you want to add background motion, click on the background. Then apply a separate animation to make the whole scene come alive. When you are happy with your animation, click on the Share button in the top right, then choose Download. Make sure to select MP4 video as the file type so the animation is preserved. Click Download and wait for Canva to process your file. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.